They look good.
We got widowmakers.
That's a lake out there.
What are you doing in that snow?
Listen, I gotta put my gloves on.
Come here. Oh, look at that good dog. Look at that good dog. What are you doing in there? Get over here. Oh, she's a snowy dog.
Crazy weather. Sun, blue skies, clouds, snow, wind. Where's spring at?
Now they're nice if you don't need to run your AC. Run the 2000? Yes. But you'll have to buy 2000 if you're gonna run your AC. Yes.
Decision time.
I was. Why you all up in my video?
What are you doing?
Excuse me.
Whoa. Bleep bleep bleepity bleep bleep.
Right.
That's okay, Chuck. Our channel's more PG-13, I guess.
Yeah.
Closer to our.
Kyla, come on. Kyla. Good girl. Look at that good dog. Look at her. Aw. She's doing so good. Yeah. Where's mommy? Where is she? Where is she? She's coming. She's a coming. Go get her. It's like she hasn't seen her in days. Good girl. Where's mommy? Good girl. Here she comes. Alright, so we got widowmakers. Heads up. Get the hell. Look at that one. Oh my gosh.
That's a real one there.
Yeah. That's a big deal.
That thing comes off of that, and it's a freaking.
You ain't kidding, Chuck.
Told y'all we should be walking apart. Y'all want to put me in danger. This is my wife. If she ain't got them cat-like skills like I do.
Go back.
We probably should.
Should we go back?
I think we should too.
Oh, now we're all scared?
Yeah.
Oh.
That kind of scared me.
We'll just look up.
What do you think?
Look. Hey. I already
Just
told
watch
you
above
what I
ya.
was gonna do.
I think we spooked Sherry.
Oh no. Nope. I'm out of here.
Oh yeah.
I'm out.
What's it on?
Look at these trees.
It's literally resting.
It's not resting on much.
I mean, it's resting.
I mean,
on the tree.
it's teetering. No, it's resting right there. It's literally teetering right there.
Oh my gosh. Sherry, look at this guy.
Oh, really is dangerous.
Yeah, I'm ready to roll.
We got a guy here.
Yeah. Where's our
Did you hear
dog?
that one? Look at this pine here. Like, if you look at these
Which
pines,
one, Chuck?
No.
Oh yeah. I mean, those are swaying.
Those are swaying big time.
So there go the girls underneath the widowmaker. I mean,
So we made it there.
why
They
did you?
left us.
Don't go. They're like widowmaker. Good. We
Yeah.
ain't gonna be widows.
I know. They're gonna be hitting the clubs tomorrow night when me and you gone.
Didn't even look back. They're like, we're gone.
She muddy as hell.
So we got the scare of a widowmaker. Let's get out of here. Did you even look back?
No.
Did you even plead for us to? Hey, come on. It's unsafe.
I ran underneath that tree that was about to fall.
Yeah.
That's what was concerned.
You didn't even care about me.
You guys didn't.
Sherry like, later, Chuck.
I told Ray y'all was gonna be clubbing tomorrow night.
Yeah, dinner's already prepped. We don't need him. Yeah. Emily be listening to Ice Cube. Shaking it in the club. Thanks, ladies. Oh. Get her, Scarlet. You go play with her.
You just couldn't see her.
You just wanted to run
You just
around.
want the boat a little bit.
Now she'll sleep good. Yeah, she likes Scarlet. Scarlet, come.
Hey!
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Now she's gonna pee.
Look, it's a pissing contest.
Go, girl.
Literally. What do you smell?
Hey! Kyle!
Hey.
She coming. Good girl. Look at that little girl. Where you at?
I thought she had committed to one of them peas.
Go.
I said she's gonna get one.
Yeah. Look at all these geese. Peaceful. Man. We have sunshine, we have snow, we have clouds. Wind. Right now it's pretty beautiful. What are you making?
I am making a fuzzy leprechaun.
Sounds Irish.
It is.
What do you got there?
Some peach schnapps. Get my measurements.
Oh, you're fancy with the measurements.
I add a little less of each because it's very sweet. And I add a little bit more orange juice than what it calls for.
Yeah. What do you say that is? What is that stuff?
Blue carousel.
Carousel?
Yes.
Or Caraco?
Carousel.
Let me know in the comments. How do you pronounce
Googled
that?
it. Google pronounced it carousel.
Yeah, but why do they spell it like that? What's that?
Tito's. It's like 2 ounces of each.
Okay. Interesting. Whoa.
What the heck was that?
That was a quarter stick of dynamite. You got your OJ? Okay.
Pulp free.
Yeah.
Nobody wants pulp in their drink. And then some pineapple. Which I can finish this. And then you want to mix it up
Shake it till you make it.
so it's green.
Oh, this is very green.
Actually,
It's very green.
and then you want to just make it fancy.
Okay.
And there you go. Fuzzy leprechaun.
Nice job. Who's that one for? You?
Me or Sherry. Whoever
Okay.
wants it.
Nice.
it. Pretty simple.
Fuzzy leprechaun. I saw that. Yep. Good morning.
Morning,
Morning.
everyone.
Weren't expecting to wake up to all this.
every winter camping without some snow.
Yeah. Seems like every time we go and we leave, Scarlet, the day we leave, it starts to snow.
Would you stop?
I guess it would. This crazy dog. She's enjoying it. Just us, our friends, and the camp host. The only signs of crazy campers. It's beautiful down here.
It really is.
Let's see what we're looking at.
What are you doing, dog?
Coming for a landing? Nope. Yep. They're late to the party.
I got a much different picture here yesterday of you.
Yeah, I know.
I should get another one.
Yeah, you might as well. That was pretty cool.
Yeah, we'll do it before and after.
Where were you standing at?
I was standing back here, and you were out there.
Yeah.
I don't want her to follow you, though.
I don't think she will. I don't want to fall in the butt.
Hey, you stay here with Mom.
There's ice on the water too. Look at that. This will be interesting. All right, let's go. Oh, I don't know what's solid. There's got to be 3 inches on these rocks. Oh. Wow. Wow. It is so pretty out here. No, you stay. You don't come out here.
Come here.
Go on, go back. Go get Mommy.
Come here.
What are you doing over there?
I don't want to fall in the water.
Are you gonna take a picture?
Huh?
You taking a picture?
I did already.
Oh, you did?
Yep.
Well, I'm standing out here like a fool. Wow, that's a big gun. Wow. That's no 22. It's peaceful, but kind of eerie at the same time. Sun trying to come out. What was that? Oh. Alright, let's try not to fall. Oh. Okay. That was slippery. Oh no, I fell. In
You
love
what?
with you.
Oh my gosh. Hold on. Wait.
Oh. I see what you did there. You golfing?
Listen.
4.
Scarlet. Scarlet. Hey. Hey. Get over here. You get over here.
Not falling straight back.
Don't kick your dog into the water.
Where's my big dog? Come here. Come here, big dog. You ready to go home?
Sunday, time to head home. Woke up to snow. It's beautiful.
Yeah. Winter Wonderland.
Had a great weekend with Chuck and Sherry, celebrating St. Patty's Day.
Did some Reubens, did some corned beef and cabbage. Thanks, Chuck, for that. That was
Potatoes
delicious.
and carrots. It was very good.
It was awesome. And as always, I hate to leave, but
Gotta pay the bills.
gotta pay the bills, gotta pay the rent, gotta pay to play. So, till the next return of the weekend, you guys stay safe.
See you guys. Just stopped. Did it just stop?
Yeah, it did. No, it didn't.
Oh shit. Start over. Take 25.
Take 26. Outro. Return of the weekend. Action.
Snowstorm
What is it?
ish. Huh?
Snowstorm-ish?
Snowstorm ish.
Okay.
No,
Take
we're gonna
27.
Never been out on a lake in the snow before. Well,
Very
that's a lie.
peaceful.
We gotta start over. West Branch.